Hello everybody, today we're going to be working on question number 12, which is asking us to write a program to draw a face of a clock that looks something like this. And so, I've already done it, but I'll go over it. And so the first thing we do is we import turtle. We say import turtle, and then wn is equal to turtle.screen, which is used to open a window or the turtle screen. And notice it has a capital S because Python is case sensitive, and then open parentheses, close parentheses, nothing in. And then wn.bg color, which is used to give it a color. And then I use light green because the color of the background is light green. And then quotation marks, it's in quotation marks and open and close parentheses. So this is for the background color, and this is to give it a title. You don't have to give it a title, but I wanted to because I just wanted to give it a title. And this is Ryan draws a clock, and then quotation marks. You could also use an apostrophe. And then Ryan, that's the name of my turtle. So turtle dot capital T turtle and open parentheses, close parentheses. And so and then this one is the shape. And as you can see, this is the shape of a turtle, but you could also use you could use so many different shapes. As long as Python recognizes those shapes, you could use them. But since we're trying to get this shape, we have to use a turtle. And then notice again, it's in quotation marks. You could also use apostrophe. And then this is a pen size, the size of the pen. You could have it as thick or as skinny, or as thin. I wanted mine to be 3, which is not too thick but not too skinny. And then the color blue, Ryan.color gives us the color of the stamps or the turtles or the pen color, which is a blue. And then quotation marks, but you could also use apostrophe. And then the speed, that's how fast you want the turtle program. You want Python to draw whatever you want to draw. And I wanted it to be slow so that I could see each move that it made. But you could make it as fast by increasing the numbers 10, 9, and you could make it so fast, 0, that is you don't see anything, you just see the final product. And then so I decided to use the for loop because I thought it would be faster, and it was. So then I said Ryan.pu, which is for pen up. And so, okay, first of all, the range, because there are 12 of these, if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 of them. That's why we have a range of 12. And then the pen up, this allows you to move the turtle or to move the turtle without leaving any marks. And then this is to move it forward. So we want it to move forward 100 feet without leaving any marks. And then we want it to put the pen down and then move forward 20. So this is this bit. So it puts the pen down here and then moves 20. And then it puts the pen up again and moves forward by 15. Pen up moves 15 so that we could have this space here. And then we move forward, and then we have a stamp. And this is the stamp. We stamp it here. And then we put the pen up and then we move back 135. So pen up and we move back 135. This is so that we can come back to the center where we started. And how we got 135, we added 120 and 15 because we had moved 100 forward and then we moved 20 forward and then we moved 15 forward. And so in order to get back to the center, we have to move backward by 135. And then, because this is a circle, which is 360 degrees. So to be able to have 12 evenly spaced lines or circles or angles or whatever, we need 30 degrees between each one. So we just simply say 360 divided by 12, and that's a 30 degrees. And you could have gone left, but I decided to go right, and that's it. And then we have the main loop, which allows us to close the program when we're done. And then we run it by pressing Control and F5 key from my laptop, and this is it. It's going forward, coming backward, going forward, coming backward, and it's back at the center where it started. And so if we compare it to the original diagram, this is it. The color's the same. We have a blue stamp, the turtle shape. We have a space between it. This is just a bit bigger than this one. But other than that, that's it. And so we completed it successfully, I think. And we did what they asked us to do. And that's it for today, folks.